Children, in our previous video, we have seen tricks for multiplication. Today, we will see for division. We'll see some tricks. First trick, this trick we can apply when the divisor is close to the powers of 10. For example, I have taken 412 is divided by 9. What is the working base here? 10. As 9 is near to 10 only, no? Now 9 is 1 less than 10. What is the dividend part from in our question? 412. In this, as we are having one number in the divisor part, I am keeping 2 a little away from the remaining numbers to do remainder work. What is the first step? We have to bring down 4 as it is. Now this 4 should be multiplied with 1. 4 ones are 4. That 4 should be added to this 1. 1 plus 4 you will get 5, and this should be multiplied with 1. 5 ones are 5, and then 5 should be added this 2, and you will get 7. You understand, no? First we have to bring down 4 as it is, and this 4 should be multiplied by 1. 4 ones are 4, that should be added to this 1. 1 plus 4 you will get 5, and that 5 should be multiplied by 1 and added to this 2. You will get 7. That's all. 45 is the coefficient for our sum and 7 is the remainder. We will see one more example. 589 divided by 9. What is the working base? 10. So 9 is 1 less than 10. We are doing this sum with 1 only, not with 9. So as we are having one digit in divisor part, we have to keep one number away from the remaining numbers for the remainder work. What is the first step? We have to bring down 5 as it is, and 5 should be multiplied with 1. 5 ones are 5, and this 5 should be added to 8. You will get 13. And this 13 should be multiplied by 1. 13 ones are 13, and that 13 should be added to this 9. You will get 22. So this is the quotient, and this is the remainder. As we are having only one number in the divisor part, there should be only one number in the total. But we are having 2 numbers, so this 1 should be added to the before number. So you will get 63. This 63 is the quotient and 22 is the remainder. As we all know, remainder should be less than the divisor always. No? But we are having greater number to greater number. We are having the remainder which is greater to 9. So we have to divide this 22 with 9. How many times it will go? 2. 2 9s are 18. If we separate 18 from 22, you will get 4. And here 2 is also a quotient. Already we are having one quotient, 63, no? This is new quotient and this is the old quotient. And this new quotient should be added to this 63, and you will get 65, which is the real quotient. And 4 is the remainder. So what is the answer for our question? That is 589 divided by 9. 65 is the quotient and 4 is the remainder. We will see one more example, that is 4826 is divided by 8. What is the working base? 10. 8 is 2 less than 10. We are doing the sum with 2, not with 8. So as I told you, as we have to keep 6 away from the numbers for the remainder work. What is the first step? We have to bring down 4 as it is, and that 4 should be multiplied by 2. 4 2s are 8, and this 8 should be added to 8, that you will get 16, and this 16 should be multiplied by 2, that is 32, and that 32 should be added to 2, you will get 34, and this 34 should be multiplied by 2, you will get 68, that 68 should be added to 6. The total is 74. As I told you, there should be only one digit for the total, but we are having 2 digits. So what we have to do? We have to add 3 from 34 to 6 in the 16, and 1 should be added to 5. So the total is 594, and the remainder is 74. As 74 is greater than 8, we have to divide it. So how many times it will go? 9. 9 8s are 72. If we separate 72 from 74, you will get your 2. So here 9 is also new quotient. and we are having one whole quotient, that is 594, and this 9 should be added to this. So the total is 603, which is the real quotient, and 2 is the remainder. So what is the answer for our quotient? Sorry, for our sum, 4826 divided by 8, quotient is 603 and the remainder is 2. We'll see one more example, that is 38,924 divided by 99. What is the working base here? 100. So 99 is 1 less than 100. As we are having two numbers in the divisor part, we have to divide these 5 numbers into two parts, that is 24, 89, and 3 we are having only one number now, so we will leave like that. So what is the first step? We have to keep this last two digits for the remainder work, and the remaining ones for quotient work. What is the first step? We have to bring down 3 as it is, and that 3 should be multiplied by 1, and 3 ones are 3, that should be added to this 89, you will get 92, and this 92 should be multiplied by 1, that product should be added to this 24, and you will get the total 116. As we are having 2 digits in the divisor, we will leave 92 as like that only. So our quotient is 392. See here, 116 is greater than 99. So we should be divide that one with 99. How many times it will go? 1. 199 is 99. So if we separate 99 from 116, we will get 17. 17. So here 1 is also a quotient. It is the new quotient. Already we are having this old quotient 392. If we add this new one to this old one, you will get the real quotient, that is 393, and 17 is our remainder. So what is the answer for our question that 38,924 divided by 99? The quotient is 393 and the remainder is 17. We will see one more example, that is 42,301 divided by 996. What is the working base here? 1000. So 996 is 4 less than 1000. Now, so we are doing the sum with 4, not with 996. As we are having 3 numbers in the divisor part, we have to keep the 3 numbers away from each other. Here in 42 we are having only 2 digits, so we will leave like that one. The last 3 digits should be done for remainder work. The remaining number should be done for quotient part. See here, what is the first step? We have to bring down this 42 as it is. As we are having lesser digit compared to our divisor, we will bring down 42 as it is, and this 42 should be multiplied by 4. You will get 168. That 168 should be added to 301. The total is 469. That is the answer, that 42 is our quotient and 469 is the remainder. What is the answer for our question, that 42,301 divided by 996? Quotient is 42 and the remainder is 469. If the divisor is having 1 digit, it is easy for us to divide. But if we have 2 digits in the divisor part, it is difficult for us to deal with 2 digit table. That time we will apply this trick. What it is, we'll see. I'll take one example, that is 4,926 divided by 21. I am dividing this 4,926 with 2 and 1, not with 21. How? I will explain you. So what is the dividend part? 4,926, that I am dividing with 2 and 1 I am adding here. What we have to do, you listen carefully. It is easy. If you understand the concept, it will be easy for you to do that. So first we have to divide this 4 with 2. How many times it will go? 2 times. 2 2s are 4. If we separate 4 from 4, you will get 0. What is the next step? You have to bring down next number. What is that? 9. Now whenever you are bringing down the number, we have to subtract the product of this number and the last digit of the quotient part. But here having only one number. So 1 2 is 2. The 2 should be subtracted from this 9. How much you will get? 7. Now this 7 should be divided by this 2. How many times it will go? 3 times. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6, you will get 1. Now what is the next step? We have to bring down next number, that is 2. So what I told you, whenever you are bringing down the number, we have to subtract this product 1 and the last digit of the our quotient part. What is the last digit here? 3. 1 3 is 3. That 3 should be subtracted from this 12. So how much you will get? 9. Now this 9 should be divided by 2. How many times it will go? 4. 4 2s are 8 and 1 will be remained. What is the next step? We have to bring down the last digit. Listen carefully. Whenever you are bringing down the last digit, you have to subtract this product and will stop. That you will get the answer. So if you bring down 6, you will get 16 and the product is 1 4s are 4. That 4 should be subtracted. 2, that's 12. That's all we got the answer, that is 234 is the quotient and 12 is the remainder. So when 4926 is divided by 21, the quotient is 234 and the remainder is 12. We'll see one more example, that is 3456 is divided by 24. So what is the first step? We have to take the dividend part and that should be divided by 2 and 4. So what is the first number here? 3. 3 should be divided by 2. How many times it will go? 1. 1 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 will get 1. Now what is the next step? We have to bring down 4. You will get 14 here. What I told you, whenever you are bringing down the number, you have to subtract this product 4 and 1. 4 ones are 4. That 4 should be subtracted from 14. 14 minus 4, 10. Now if we divide, now we have to divide this 10 with the 2. How many times it will go? 5. 5 2s are 10. You will get remainder 0. What is the next step? You have to bring down the next number, that is 5. So what is the next step? What I told you, whenever you are bringing down one number, you have to subtract this product, that 5 4s are 20. Is it possible to subtract 20 from 5? No, not possible. What we have to do? We have to go here not for 4, not with 5. Now 4 2s are 8. That 8 should be subtracted from 10. You will get 2. When if you bring down this 5, you will get here 25. No. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract this product. 4 4s are 16. How much you will get? If 16 is subtracted from 25, you will get 9. Now this 9 should be divided by this 2. How many times it will go? 4. 4 2s are 8. 1 will remain and we have to bring down the last digit, that is 6. What I told you, whenever you are bringing down the last digit, we have to subtract this product and you have to stop. 4 4s are 16. 0 will remain. So that's all we got the answer, that is 144 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder for our sum, that is 3456 is divided by 24. Isn't it easy? We'll see one more example, that is 78,562 divided by 39. So what is the first step? We have to take the dividend part and 3 in the divisor part and 9 here. So first 7 should be divided by 3. How many times it will be go in 3 table? 2 times. 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6, 1 will remain. What is the next step? You have to bring down the next number. What I told you, whenever you are bringing down the number, we have to subtract this product. 9 2s are 18. That 18 is subtracted from 18, you will get 0. This 0 should be divided by 3. How many times it will go? 0 times. 0 3s are 0 only, no? 0 minus 0, you will get 0. What is the next step? We have to bring down the next number, that is 5. What I told you, whenever we are bringing down the number, we have to subtract this product. 9 zeros are 0. 5 minus 0, you will get 5. Now this 5 should be divided by 3. How many times it will go? 1 time. 1 is 3. 2 will remain. What is the next step? You have to bring down the next number, that is 6. How many times it whenever you are bringing down the 6, what we have to do? We have to subtract this product 9 and 1. So 9 ones are 9. That 9 should be separated from 26. You will get 17. And this 17 should be divided by 3. How many times it will go? 5. 5 3s are 15. So 2 will remain. So what we have to do? We have to bring down next number, that is 22. It will be there. Now whenever you are bringing down, you have to separate the product. Now see here, 9 5s are 45 only. 45, can 45 separated from 22? No, it is not possible. So what we have to do, we have to go for here before number, that is 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 12 is separated from 17. You will get 5. If you bring down this 2, you will get 52, and from that 52 we are bringing down 2 here, last digit. So we have to separate the product of these two numbers. 9 4s are 36. That's all. 16 is the remainder for our question, and 2014 is our quotient for our sum, that is 78,562 divided by 39. Isn't it easy? We'll see one more example, that 25,584 divided by 104. What we have to do? We have to divide this dividend part with 10. I am considering 10 here and 4 this time. So how many times, as we are having two numbers in the divisor part, we have to consider two numbers now. How many times 25 will go in 10 table? 2 times. 2 tens are 20. 5 will remain. Next we have to bring down 5. As soon as we are bringing down the number, we have to separate this product. 4 2s are 8. 3 will 47 will remain. So this 47 should be divided by 10. 4 times it will go. 4 tens are 40. 7 will remain. Next we have to bring down next number, that is 8. 78 will be there. Now whenever you are bringing down, we have to separate the product, this number and the last digit of our quotient. 4 4s are 16. 78 minus 16, 62 will remain, and this 62 should be divided by 10. How many times it will go? 6 times. 6 tens are 60. 2 will remain. Next we have to bring down the next number, that is the last number here, that is 4. So we have to, whenever you are bringing down the last number, we have to separate the product and we have to stop. 6 4s are 4 and 6. 6 4s are 24. So 0 is the remainder for our sum, that is 25,584 divided by 104, and 246 is the quotient. We see the one last example, that is 73,542 divided by 114. So what number we have to consider for the divisor part here? 11, and 4 should be written here. So how many times 73 will go in 11 table? 6 times. 6 11s are 66. 7 will be remain. Next 5 we have to bring down 5. 75 is there. Whenever we are bringing down the number, we have to separate this product. 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. 51 will remain, and this 51 should be divided by 11. 4 times it will go. 4 11s are 44. 7 will remain. Now we have to bring down the next number, that is 4. Whenever we are bringing down the number, we have to subtract this product. 4 4s are 16. 58 will remain. Next this 58 should be divided by 11. How many times it will go? 5 times. 5 11s are 55. 3 will remain. Next we have to bring down the last digit 2. Now we have to separate this product and we will stop. 5 4s are 20. So 20 is separated from 32, 12 will be remain. So 12 is the remainder for our sum, that is 73,542 divided by 114, and 645 is the quotient. How do you feel? Isn't it easy only? No?